here is an example on xt graph. The displacement of a car as a function of time is shown in the graph below. The displacement between 2 seconds and 8 seconds and the average velocity between 2 seconds and 10 seconds is. Okay, let us take it up. So, here is the graph. We are supposed to find the displacement between 2 seconds and 8 seconds and the average velocity between 2 seconds and 10 seconds. First, this part. So, what are all the steps? The first step is to find the value of x1 at t1. So, this is x1, this is t1, so this is x1. So, I will write x1 is equal to 5 and x2, that is at 8 seconds. So, corresponding to 8 seconds it is 15. Therefore, displacement delta x is equal to 15 minus 5, that is 10 meters. So, displacement is 10 meters. Then the second part, the average velocity calculation. To calculate the average velocity, again the same thing. Average velocity is x2 minus x1 divided by t2 minus t1. But observe that this time the time intervals are different, 2 second and 10 second, not 8 second. So, for this part x1 is equal to, at t is equal to 2 it is 5, at t is equal to 10 seconds it is nothing but 25. So, x2 is 25. Thus, we have average velocity is equal to x2 25 minus 5 whole divided by 10 minus 2. That gives me 20 divided by 8. 20 divided by 8.